Hello everyone. Today we will start using OneNote. OneNote is a very useful digital notebook that automatically saves and synchronizes your notes as you work. You can use for creating maths quiz. It is having formatting option again to select your text and get it faster for formatting. Then you can take printout of this particular notes. You can edit or embed file. You can attach file. Then you can use phrase search. That means if you are capturing any photo on mobile and you want to keep it as notes, now to convert that photo into PDF is easily possible with OneNote. Then you can read aloud math solutions step by step. So audio recording, video recording of entire meeting, entire lecture is available. You can upload and insert cloud files. You can improve printout office files, and you can turn the maths assistant on or off. OneNote is embedded with list of following sites, and you can use these sites with OneNote embeddation. So this is 21st century classroom in which collaboration, communication, critical thinking and creativity, everything is possible because the data is only on one location, one source. No matter from which location you are using it, the data will always save. Generally, if we keep any rough book, it is very hard to find a note or find a point. But now, no need to write. You can keep your audio links. This is OneNote's screenshot in which you can see there are multiple diaries, or you can say notebooks, from which I can easily see whatever notebook I want, from which again making sections is like keeping pages. So, and one more benefit which is very new, that if I'm recording any audio from point number 3, I want to listen something. I don't want to listen entire 3 hours lecture again. So what I can do is I have to just tag that particular point, and when I want to listen or when I want to revise any point, I have to just play that particular patch. So OneNote is very smart. He will only play that particular phase or patch. You can make a star mark for favorite points, important points. When generally we keep habit of keeping files or folders on computer, what we used to do is we keep one notebook, that is your folder, in which we keep subfolder, that is section, and in which we keep files as pages. Say for example, if HR person keep recruitment folder in which position open. Same way, when you create any project in OneNote, you can give project modules and you can keep details. So where to store? There is actually there are so many options, but these all options are online cloud option. So no matter where you are, you will get your data easily. You can record audio, you can record video, and as I told you, that particular patch is again recorded patch can be listened many times. You can for students, if you are referring any book, it is easy to read that book. Is it easy to link the book, link the data using OneNote. Now let's see now how to use OneNote. For practical use, I'm using OneNote 2016. OneNote is available on app and OneNote is available as a desktop program. Right now you can see my notebook which is open, that is SYJC IT. I want to create one more notebook. So now I am going to File, New. Now this is my location, that is OneDrive, in which I want to create FYJC IT. This is my notebook name, in which I can keep multiple pages, and that pages have sections. Now OneNote is giving me one more assistance, that whether you want to share this with your students, then you can invite students by using invite people link. But right now I don't want to do that, so I will click on not now. Now you can see this is my new section. Then I can add pages to the section. So in short, what I can say is FYJC is my main folder, new section is my subfolder, and pages are file inside. Now I want to rename my section, so I will right click on it and I will rename with file name HTML. So HTML is my one notebook or subfolder. Now in this again I want to rename or give file name, page name for day 1. So this is my first page. Now I can write, I can draw, I can record, anything I can do. I want to make to-do list. On first day, first I want to give introduction of entire portion to the student. So this is my to-do list. Then student introduction. Student 11th standard student are always new for every college. So just to introduce myself as well as to get introduction from student. Then overview about their HTML knowledge. If they are if they are okay with HTML, if they are comfortable with earlier portion or not, that I want to know. So this is my to-do list. In tags, you can see there are multiple options available. For keeping systematic data, Microsoft is taking so much of trouble for us. See, just you are supposed to use it in proper way. You can keep contacts, you can keep address, phone numbers, everything. So whatever we learned earlier, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, everything is collaborated in this area. And you can use any reference, you can read any book, anything you can do. So if I will click on book to read, I can see that this book option is there. So in overview, I can give them book name, HTML structure. So automatically you can find that book online as well as you can attach any file. Now I want to show them one PPT. So I will go to insert. I can either take printout, so that printout option will always add or search the text from the printout. Means if I want to search any file name or phrase name, I can use that by using printout. I want to attach PowerPoint file. So I will go to attach file. I will click on insert and this is my attach file option. And now I can see my file is attached. And no matter you are working with HTML or not, now for that they have one view. I can show you that view also. This is dock to desktop. So this view will help me to simultaneously work with OneNote, and in the other area I can see my presentation. Now this is my first presentation and I can use OneNote as well as PowerPoint while doing this. Now my work is over, so I don't want to use PowerPoint. So again I will close this, and this particular area you can see then in this area that now my OneNote screen. Again I want to go to view and I want to make normal view. So in this way what we know now is we can use this notebook for lifetime. No need to search anything. You can tag, you can make audio recording, video recording, you can schedule, or you can keep note, or you can keep meeting notes linked with each other. Whenever you are using tab, you can use this pen tool. Whatever you will write by pen, say for example now I am writing HTML, I can convert this into plain text, or if I want to write something as a note, I can keep it as it is. So I can type, I can generally convert it as I told you. In history, you can mark any particular note as read, unread. So this will always help you to just follow whatever data you have done or whatever work you have done. That will be get kept in his mind. Now if I tag this to-do list, to-do tag, he will mark this as a checkbox. I don't want to keep this as to-do tag, so I can remove that. If I will add page, you can see my HTML is now giving me authority to add one more page. Now I want to add JavaScript. So this is my second page. So where is my first page? So in HTML, now I have day 1 with this particular content, and for JavaScript, if I will go, this is my new section or new page in which I can write something related with Java. But I don't want to write, I want to add pictures. So is it possible? Yes, I can do this. So while doing this, what we can do is we can use our local machine, or you can use your online data. So this type of facilities are there, very useful, I can say, for every teacher as well as for meeting organizer. Many times what happen with us is we keep so many files in different location and on local drive, and every time struggling with that data or finding or keeping that everything in mind is a big task. So better that headache will be kept by OneDrive, OneNote, and easily you can do whatever you want to do with manual data. So manual data must be get converted into OneNote. So now this is your rough notebook, which is actually a fair book. No need to keep two different books. You can easily make notes. You can keep different books. You can keep different notes, and that notes are always available to you from anywhere in the world, no matter from where you are using it. So keep practice of using this new technology, and in 21st era, don't keep that cheats and rough book along with you, and don't carry the burden of papers. You can keep everything online, and you can easily go to that particular data just by using OneDrive. So start using this. Thank you.
Did you find this video helpful? Then like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.